The Elexant4010i industrial heat trace controller is designed to meet the demands of today's critical process application needs. By maximizing safety and control, reducing cost of ownership, and providing ultimate connectivity and flexibility. Why the Elexant4010i controller? It embodies many unique features that set it apart from other heat tracing controllers. The Elexant4010i is easy to use with advanced features for increased safety and reduced maintenance costs. It has built-in ground fault protection certified to the latest standards. High and low limit temperature cutout feature to support unique application requirements. The auto cycle feature automates preventative maintenance and alleviates downtime. The Elexant4010i is fully configurable with intuitive programming. The clean and thoughtful design of the home screen makes it effortless to quickly access pertinent information. The main menu allows for easy setup right at your fingertips. The control setup menu provides flexible configuration, allowing the Elexant4010i to be used for most industrial heat tracing applications, eliminating the need for multiple solutions. The alarm menu allows you to see all critical alarm events to aid in troubleshooting. Automated testing features reduce the cost of regular maintenance checks, increasing both reliability and uptime. The controller seamlessly integrates into DCS systems to allow data to be accessed locally and centrally. Ready for Industrial 4.0, the Elexant4010i brings the Internet of Things to industrial heat tracing. The controller is certified to the latest global standards, ensuring compliance, safety, and reliability. With nVent RAYCHEM Supervisor, the Elexant controller captures the data that can provide comprehensive insights to identify root causes of issues. nVent RAYCHEM is a trusted brand that customers can rely on for its innovation, quality, and performance. For more information about the Elexant4010i controller, visit nVent.com/RAYCHEM.